In District 23-6A, there is quite a battle for the top spot going on. Pearland and Dawson are both undefeated in district play. However, one of them had to take a loss Wednesday night as the Oilers and Eagles went at it, and it's our DQ game of the week. This one would be a defensive struggle throughout. In the first quarter, how about the Eagles' Jaylen Carthan with the no-look pass underneath the Hayden Windsor, who draws 4 defenders and still scores. In the second quarter, Bryce Ware misses the corner three, but the rebound goes back to Dawson, and Carthan is wide open for another deep shot. That's good. It's 70-6 Eagles. Still in the second, Dawson rolling. Windsor open in the corner for another three, and the Eagles are cruising 23-11 at halftime. In the second half, here come the Oilers, specifically Ty Williams. He makes the inbounds pass and then gets it back and hits the mid-range jumper. Then Williams dribbles down and finds his spot again, hits the jumper over Windsor. Pearland cuts the Dawson lead to 29-26 after three. Early in the fourth, the Oilers get the deficit down to 1 as Cameron Love Adams gets position underneath and hits the hook shot. But Dawson would pull away. Carthan to A.J. Richard for three, and the Eagles win a low-scoring affair, 43-33, to regain sole possession of first place. The Game of the Week is brought to you by DQ for treats and eats before and after the game.